Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to service your vacuum cleaner. I'll be showing you how to service your vacuum cleaner. One thing you need to check is to empty the can. Right? This is why they collect the dirt. You have a filter which you should replace. It's written. It's written. You should replace every 6 months. It's a HEPA filter, and this is the one which refreshes your air, filters your air. Okay. It's written every 6 months. Whenever I buy one, I always write in the back when it's due next for replacement. And this one is due in February 2022. That's around that time is the time I will need to replace the filter. There's also a screen which you need always to clean, right? Then you empty your can. You empty the dirt, right? Sometimes I also clean this one just to make sure it's clean. Sometimes I clean this one just to make sure it's clean. Okay. For this one, little screen, I have a brush which I normally use just to brush it off. It's just a plastic, so sometimes you can clean with a soap. Right. This one, there's nothing much you can do, it's just to replace. But wherever I empty the trash, I normally bang like that, just to make sure some of the dirt comes out. Okay. Then I assemble the can. There's a mark where it goes in, right? It goes in only one way. Also the filter, it goes only one way. This is marked head down, so it goes down. Then I put the cover, it's marked filter access. It's here, open and lock. So go through open, then you lock. You lock, that one is done. Okay? There's also these accessories, right? Like this one, you can see it has some trash trap on it. Whenever you're vacuuming on the carpet, there's some trash. I normally remove it, right? Just like that. Or I use the screwdriver to take it out. Just to make sure it's clean and ready for the next job. Okay? And I put it back. Also underneath, this is the brush which pick up the trash. So you always make sure you remove. See, like this one, I need to remove all this. They are wrapped around. They are wrapped around. I'll take out all this trash and make sure my brush is free. Right. Sometimes you may wonder why your vacuum is not working, or why you are not picking some stuff on the floor or on the carpet. Right? It's because you have all this, right, on the brush. See? They might not come out easily because they are up around. They are up and around. Make sure you pull them up, or you need a screwdriver. See, all this trash, they pick on your carpet, right? All the string, sure is there, the hair, and everything else is right here. Yeah, this is what rotates and helps pick the whatever is on your carpet when you are vacuuming. This is what rotates, brush on your carpet, and help the vacuum to suck it in through this hose. There's some hose in here. Right? Now it's free. It's ready for the next job, for the next assignment. Right? Look at it, so clean. Right? here is the motor which rotates it, which makes it rotate. It's in here and help to suck. When it's sucking, it goes through here, right? And it goes into your goes through here and it goes in your canister through this hole. Through this hole. So sometimes you might wonder why it's not working, or why it is not sucking the trash, right? Or why it's not picking. I want to show you what else to check. Right here you have the hose, so it picks from here, goes through, and it goes into this, right? Because this one goes here, through here, into this hole, right? That's how it goes in, there, into this hole, right? And your pipe can be blocked. And this, how you remove the 2 screws in the back. There are 2 screws right here in the back. And put them out, then you disconnect the hose. Just pull it out. I can see it's through hole. So take out the hose. You see, right here, if you look at this one, it's already blocked. There's some trash sitting here. It's not supposed to. So it might be blocked here, so it will not be sucking your trash. It will not be sucking your trash. When the brush rotates, it helps, but when the trash is sucked in, it's supposed to come out through here. You see, this one is already blocked. There's something in there, right? Actually, it's a pencil. You can just hold the to pull it, make sure it goes through back the way it came through. Right. It's a pencil which was sucked in. Yeah, and some papers were broken in there. All this trash was in there. Right? It was in there, so broken. Make sure you check your hose. Make sure your hose is clear. Right? Your hose is clear and your hole is clear. Right? So it's time to put it back. Time to put this one back. From there, pull this one up. The creaks in, and it's good to go. It's like new. That's how to service your vacuum cleaner. So next time it loses the vacuum, or you wonder why it is not sucking, let's check the brush, check the filter, and check your hose. It might be blocked. Make sure you check your hose. It might be blocked, right? It goes from here all the way up. Make sure it's all clear. So if you like my video, share and subscribe. Share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Okay? See you in the next project. Share and subscribe. Okay? Take care. Bye.